Hello and welcome to Winner's Edge Transcription tutorial number 2. This one is focused on the 8 diphthong sounds. The previous tutorial was about pure vowels or monophthongs, 12. This one is about mixed vowels or diphthongs, 8 in number. These kind of sounds are not found in English language, so please pay attention. First one is go, g and o, go. The second one is now, n and ow, now. So these two, they are clubbed together because they end in the sound oo, go and now. Then we have got near, near. Then we have air, and finally sure. Now this one is pronounced as show also, but because the variant is sure and we are going to use it here, so I am writing the transcription for sure, ua, ear, air, ua. All three of them, they end in the sound. And then we have got my day and boy. So as you can see, they are all similar because they are ending in the e sound. So there are three varieties ending in u, ending in and ending in e: o, ow, ear, air, ua, I, oi, and a. If you want some more practice, then try our worksheet first and then go to our quiz to tell you how good you have become. If you liked this video, please click at like. If you want more such videos or more videos on any other topic of English literature, please subscribe. And also, you can leave your ideas, your suggestions, your demands in the comment box. Thank you for being with us.